Today we are going to look at the top 5 best 3D printers of 2023. All items are linked in the description. Let's get into it. First off, we have the Bambu Labs P1P. The P1P sets the stage with a fusion of innovation and precision. Its robust build quality is complemented by a thoughtfully designed enclosed structure that ensures consistent temperature control for optimal prints. This design factor is particularly advantageous for prints that require stability and reduced warping. What sets the P1P apart is its array of advanced features. Auto-leveling technology simplifies the calibration process, resulting in a more user-friendly experience. Additionally, Wi-Fi connectivity empowers users to control and monitor the printer remotely. The presence of dual extruders adds versatility, allowing for multi-material and multi-color printing. However, it's worth noting that these advanced features might entail a slightly steeper learning curve, making the P1P more suitable for users familiar with 3D printing processes. Next, we have the Bambu X1 Carbon. The X1 Carbon enters the scene with a unique selling point: its carbon fiber construction. This not only contributes to the printer's durability but also ensures a lightweight design, ideal for those who seek both reliability and portability. The Core XY design enhances both print speed and accuracy, two critical factors in achieving high-quality prints efficiently. This printer's touchscreen interface presents an intuitive control system that even novices can navigate with ease. With a direct drive extruder, the X1 Carbon displays a remarkable ability to print flexible filaments, expanding the range of possibilities for creative projects. It's important to acknowledge that while the X1 Carbon offers an impressive range of features, these advanced capabilities might not cater to absolute beginners in the 3D printing world. If you are enjoying this video, please like and subscribe. Next on our list is the SnapMaker J1. The J1 takes an ambitious approach by offering an all-in-one solution that combines 3D printing, CNC carving, and laser engraving capabilities. This integrated functionality sets the J1 apart as a versatile machine that caters to a multitude of creative pursuits. One of its standout features is the independent dual extruder design, which enhances print speed and accuracy. This design also enables mirror and duplication printing, expanding the range of creative possibilities. The enclosed build chamber, equipped with a filtration system, goes the extra mile by reducing odors and particles during printing. While the SnapMaker J1 undoubtedly offers an array of capabilities, users should consider whether they require the full spectrum of functionalities or if they would benefit more from a specialized printer. Coming in at number 4, we have the Creality Ender 3 V2 Neo. The V2 Neo takes a tried-and-true approach by building on the legacy of the popular Ender series. While retaining the core features that users appreciate, this iteration introduces several upgrades for an enhanced experience. One notable improvement is the inclusion of a silent motherboard, minimizing the noise during printing. The large build volume of the V2 Neo caters to a variety of project sizes, offering users the versatility to explore their creativity on a larger scale. The upgraded extruder design improves filament feeding, contributing to smoother and more consistent printing. While the V2 Neo offers several upgraded features, it's important to acknowledge that it may not provide the same level of advanced capabilities as higher-end models. And finally, we have the Sovol SV06. The SV06 distinguishes itself with a combination of a direct drive extruder and a generous build volume. This combination enhances print quality and offers the space to create larger projects. The silent stepper motor drivers contribute to a quieter printing experience, making it an excellent choice for environments where noise reduction is a consideration. The enclosed build chamber is a notable feature that helps maintain a consistent temperature, reducing the chances of warping and ensuring better overall print quality. However, it's important to acknowledge that the unique design of the SV06 might result in a slightly longer learning curve, especially when it comes to troubleshooting. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Check back daily for new videos reviewing top products.